Okay, now what we do in project is important. We read YouTube comments and save them in a let's go in a CSV file and export that CSV file to our place. But this is not really the thing we want. What we want to do, we want to read one channel, all comments, and then save them to an CSV file, to a one CSV or two. That's not important. Let's go for this channel. What is the name? Altcoin Daily. I don't really know what it's doing, but maybe it's giving us some 8K videos. It's good. Let's say, okay, let's go and try to write a code that give us all the videos of a channel's ID. Okay, let me just write it here. Let's write here and ask Gemini for some help. Can you, let's just thank him. Can you write a code in Python that give us a list of all video IDs? It's ID video ID of a YouTube channel. YouTube channel with the date of the video. Okay, it's doing great, I think. Let me just copy that. At first, let's save these codes. It's saved. Okay, let's go and use another library, Collab. Let's use another library that we don't by some mistakes do something wrong to our code. Let's create a library, put the code here. Okay, let's see what it's saying. API key channel ID. Okay, let's copy our API key and channel ID. It wants API key and channel ID. Your API key. For the sake of yours, I put my API key top here. For someone that says it's important and it's only yours, I don't really care, but let's put it here. API key. This is API key. API key. And the channel ID. Let's go and see how we can find a channel ID. How we can find a channel ID. Let's search how we can find a YouTube channel ID. In the top right, select your profile picture setting from the left menu. Not mine. Find your not. How to find the YouTube channel ID. Not mine. I need another one. Grab the ID from the source page. Okay. How we can do it? Right click on your browser, views page source. Control F. View source. I think we have it here. Why I can't see the source? Oh, okay. View page source. Control F. This is the channel ID. How hard we can get it? Okay. Put the channel ID here. and then run the code. Let's wait a little and see if the code running right or not. Okay, K error video ID. Which line we get errors? Must call recents. Videos. Get channel videos. Channel ID. Print the video ID and publish the data. Video. Why is this happening? Let's see. This is the channel ID. Let's see if the channel ID is right. I think the channel ID is right. Let's see what is the problem is. Okay, F video for videos. Let me just delete this line of code. I think the problem is here. Let me just delete this and run this again. No, the problem is not here. Video ID. Okay, not a problem. Just ask Gemini. If you don't have anything in the mind, let's ask. The code gives me this error. Can you fix it, please? Okay, the error is with API. Give me a time to fix my API. See you in the next lesson.